I started with HTML, CSS before I moved to JavaScript, and I love building what I will see instantly. That's why I love HTML. In fact, front end, that's why I love it. You build and you see what you're building instantly. But the reason why I switched and moved to Python is because AI might take the job of front end developers. So this is the reason why I switched, because I've been watching a lot of tutorials talking about AI taking all the jobs of front-end developers. It's not only the front-end developers, but it is also coding. Coding, whatever you are coding, AI is going to replace you. Imagine when you want to print a subscribe button. Imagine before you type that, AI have already generated the code and have already copied it and pasted in your VS Code or whatever editor you are using. So I feel confused, and it took me a lot of days. I was researching and I landed at artificial intelligence, machine learning. So, and in my research, I find out that if you want to become a machine learning engineer, that you must know Python. You must know Python. So that's why I switched from front end and moved to Python. I've already learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I have websites that I've built and deployed online. But because of AI taking the jobs of front-end developers, I switched to machine learning, and right now I'm learning Python. And I'm so happy that I learned front end. Right now, I can, when I'm done with my Python and I become a machine learning engineer, I can now use my front end to build AI powered app or AI powered website, and it's going to make my site stand out, and it's going to bring more job opportunities to me. That's why I switched from front end and moved to back end. And if you have been on my channel, you are going to see that I started Python new, and I say that I'm going to be sharing all my tech journey in this channel. So if today is your first time, please keep your eyes on this channel. I would like you to subscribe so that you will be following me. And also, if you are new to Python, you can comment below and we can chat together. That's how I landed to learn Python, and I left HTML, CSS, JavaScript. No, I didn't leave it. What I did was that I left it for now, just for now, and I'm learning Python because I want to become a machine learning engineer, and I'm so happy. In all the website that I have and the more website that I'm going to build, I'm going to add AI powered on it. So the website won't just be ordinary website, it's going to have AI powered. So I'm so happy that I didn't even move to Python first, that I learned front end before trying to move to Python. I'm feeling happy that I made the mistake, and the mistake worked out for me. The mistake was a good decision for me. So right now that I have learned front end and I'm learning Python right now, and I want to become ML engineer, and that's machine learning engineer, is going to make me stand out, and I can now join my front end and back end and build AI powered applications, websites. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you on the next video. Be sure to be well, and peace.